Migori County ni skund nyiri St. Albert's Ulanda mayudore Awendo sub county kore wacho ni nigi kwan jopuonje mathoth ahinya modonjo form 1 higani chenro bende nochakore odiochieng' manyoro. Kaluwore gi japuonj maduong' Finora Bunyengo owacho ni koro gigeno rwako jopuonjre 836 to chope kinde mane Lolwe Tv notimo limbe skund nogono okinyi manyoro ne giseyudo jopuonjre 500 ka bende japuonjno to wacho ni en gi geno ni pod gibiro dhi timo maber kata e wechego mago mag somo kata kapono ne gikawo kwan mathoth ahinya. Kata kamano e sechego jonyuol moko to bende nodwoke kod nyithindgi ni mar nok gichopo dwaro mag donjo e skul ka girwako jo form 1.
Sata nimetoka Sirare. Nimeleta mwanafunzi hapa na ndio mara ya kwanza kuja huku. Tumefika hapa saa 3 na nimekuwa namba 242. Ila naona laini inaendelea vizuri. Ni mtoto wangu akifanya vizuri. Kuna wengine wazazi wa kutoka huko Sirare wanaona watakuja waleta watoto wao wengi tu pia huku.
Kwa jina mnaitwa Benson Gingo. Tulikuja hapa asubuhi sana. The line is quite long. Almost all the parents and the students have come today. Ni kama wengi wamekuja siku ya leo. Tulikuja asubuhi sana na watu ni wengi sana.
Okay. Mimi naitwa Paulo Diambo, natoka North Sakwa Ward, Awendo sub county, Migori County. Nilileta mtoto hapa hivi, hapa shule inaitwa Ulanda. Alafu nilimlipia school fee ya 5,500. Ya uniform nililipa 18,700. Lakini saizi nashangazwa kuwa naambiwa nirudishe mtoto nyumbani nitafute school fee yote.
Okay, my name is Mary Goretti. I'm from within. I come from Migori County. I'm a parent here. We've come to admit our sister. And Ulanda is a good school. Yes, we are happy to be here. Yeah, we are happy to be here. And the process of admission is not bad. We are patient, we are waiting. Yeah.
Center of Excellence. Our school is found in Awendo sub-county, Migori County, and under the sponsorship of the Catholic Church. We are doing right now at a total of 2,552 students in our school, and today is the reporting date for the 4 months. The 4 months 2020, we've declared this year to be a year of a new beginning to the glory of God. And we want to thank the Catholic Church for the sponsorship today morning. We were so happy right in the morning at 6:30, the first child touched the ground. But however, yesterday we had 62 girls reporting, though on a holiday, but we still admitted them 2022. This school, St. Albert's Ulanda Girls, was the one that received the highest number of 864 girls. And by around 11 today, I've already received 502 girls. The students have arrived. From day 1, we have received 502. And at the same school, we had requests from other parents who had interest in the school, about 2,500 requests that are already in the file. The management of this, we're not looking at the management area, but the risk takers, we are taking it to ensure that the 100% transition to high school is undertaken. However, the 864, we normally receive 85% from the girls that have been called. But for the first time, when you look at the names, there are only 61 girls that have dropped. So to our expectations, we are expecting 800 girls to the reporting. And I'm now about a big number has come in with the request that to keep their spaces, so that's their booking. So to us as a school, we shall not fear taking risks, but shall be risk managers. Because our issue and our intention is to have the girls' child get education. I want to thank God so sincerely. That is because of the growth that Ulanda Girls, after landing here, I've seen the growth for myself personally. This is a time that I grew up professionally, progressively, until I attained the status of chief principal. And I would like to thank God Almightily, because 2019 we posted 264 girls to university. The following year we posted about 446, and this year we have posted 569. Therefore, it's scholarly results, because we are able to see transition from secondary to university in a bigger way, and then the girls 112 that are remaining, they are getting diploma courses, and then the 3 that got D+, they are getting certificate courses.